I have styled it a little bit differently and in a way that's a feminine touch. It's not all men sailing. A lot of us women love to sail, and I think we should all get out there and give it a go. Hi, I'm Juanita. I'm the owner of Coffee Cat. It's a 2010 Lagoon 440 owner's version. It has got quite a lot of mod cons. It has a code 0. It's a very comfortable boat to be sailing in and safe. I purchased Coffee Cat to, explore the waterways of Australia. Firstly, southeast Queensland. Love the flybridge. When you're out on the ocean, there's nothing like sitting up there and looking out and seeing where you're sailing to. Love the forward seating on the bow with the trampolines. There's nothing nicer than sitting out there watching a sunrise or a sunset with a glass of champagne. It's just beautiful. Moreton Island would have to be my favourite place that I've sailed to. A bit hectic getting back. We encountered 2 to 3 metre waves and 30 knot winds, but I've never felt safer. It's fantastic. It was exhilarating. Really enjoyed the day. I really love Coffee Cat. I love the plan of the boat. Being able to sit outside, still be able to chat to people in the galley. So obviously, favourite colour pink. I have styled it a little bit differently. I love colour, and I think with all the sun and the brightness, I think the colour just adds to the decor of it and enhances the boat, and in a way that's a feminine touch. Equipped with a freezer and a fridge, both in excellent working order. B&G electronics throughout. It's the owner's version, so you really do have that spaciousness of the whole side of Coffee Cat to relax in. TV is obviously in the bedroom. Air conditioning, fantastic. Air conditioner works a treat in those hot summer days. This boat is so comfortable. The beds are comfortable. It's just a homely type of boat. It has 2 Yanmar 60 horsepower engines. A safe boat, Lagoon 440. There's nothing more beautiful and more peaceful, I think, than experiencing that boating lifestyle. It's not all men sailing. A lot of us women love to sail, and I think we should all get out there and sail. Give it a go.